Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look like crap. It's a lazy day. It's raining outside. I took a shower and this is how my hair naturally just kind of dries. And so today I wanted to make like a different video because I've been learning how to cook recently, and like not that I'm getting over like making like makeup videos, but like I don't know, I kind of want to expand my channel to like a bunch of different things. So I'm like super like antsy. I'm just like moving around so much. So I'm gonna be cooking some chicken with some veggies and some rice for later. It's 1 o'clock. My brother and sister get out at 3, so I figured I'd just cook some things so that they can eat when they get home from school. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. Okay, Franklin. I had to bring him inside because it's raining. Oh, you're so cute. No, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. And he's making a mess with all his food. Okay, so I'm just getting the ingredients that I'm gonna be using and then I'll start cooking. Franklin, get away from everything. Hey! Okay, so first I have some, get away, chicken breast tenders. And I just use like 1 pack. I'll probably use another one later, but this is all I'm gonna be cooking for right now. And then I have 2 tomatoes. This is an onion that I've already used, so it's like 1/4 of an onion. And then I have 2 yellow squash or zucchini. Okay, so one time in high school, me and my friend had, we had like an argument about whether these are squash or zucchinis. So yeah. Okay, I'm like trying to block Franklin. So I have 2 yellow ones and then I have 3 green ones. And I usually have mushroom that I put in it, but I don't know if I have any mushrooms. Let me check real quick. I don't think I do though. Franklin, stop being nosy. Damn, I don't think I have any. Well, that's okay. I should have bought some. I just came from the store, but that's okay. Can of corn, and you could use like a regular corn and then just like boil it, but I'm lazy and I'm not gonna do that. Franklin, go play with your bone. Play with your bone. Play with your bone. Okay, so you need 2 pans. This is gonna be for the veggies and this is gonna be for the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the pan for the chicken. And I'm just gonna put it on medium heat. And then I'm gonna be using olive oil. And I'm gonna turn this a little bit this way so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of oil. And then I'm gonna wash my hands, wash the chicken, and then just cut off the fat. Okay, so now that I have 5 ready, I'm gonna go ahead and place them on the pan. Hazte pa' allá. Go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with some salt. Okay, so while that cooks, I just put a little bit of water in my pan, like just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And I put the heat for the pan with the water on high, and I put the chicken on low because I don't want it to cook fast, because I want to cook the chicken just like a little bit, and then when the water is boiling for the veggies, I'm gonna throw the chicken in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the squashes up. I'm gonna cut the onion first, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the onion. It's not too small. I kind of keep it a little bit big. And this is all you really need. So I do the onion and the tomato first because that's what gives it, I feel like, the best flavor. And it kind of gets the water already tasting like something. Now putting the tomato in the veggie pan. Okay, so chicken's cooking, and then this is what this looks like right now. I love the way the tomato and onions smell when they're cooking. And you see how the water's already kind of turning into like a color. Okay, so what I decided is I think I'm just gonna leave this chicken by itself, like without the veggies, because my brother and sister are picky, so I'm just gonna leave that by itself. And then the other pieces that I have left, I'm going to put that with the veggies. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Go over there, don't be nosy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the chicken because they're ready. Oops. So I'm just putting them on a plastic tray with a napkin. And I'm just gonna stick these in the microwave because I don't want Franklin to get a hold of them and they'll stay warm in here. Okay, so I'm gonna move the pan. I'm gonna not use that for a little bit. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so this is what this looks like right now. It's kind of drying out, so I'm gonna put some more water. And I'm just gonna grab like a plastic cup and put some water. Really? Hey! Franklin! Okay, so I'm just gonna put water like that. Now that I have all of this cut, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the pan. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now I'm gonna use some consomate. This is just like I don't know, we use this at my house for everything, so I'm gonna use some of that, and then yeah, I'm gonna pour that into the veggies. Okay, so I'm gonna use like that much. And then just mix and mix it, mix it. This just adds flavor to it. I use this in the rice also. Hey! All right. So while that cooks, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the rest of the chicken, and I'm just gonna fry it a little bit in the pan. I'm not gonna cook it till it's completely done so that I can put it in here and then that'll cook. Okay, so now that that's cooked for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the veggies. And I'm gonna kind of put it, make sure it's touching the pan. And yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit. This is already on high, so. And I want the chicken to get the flavor of the veggies and all of that, so that's why I went ahead and put it in here. It looks so good already. Oh, I freaking love veggies. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed another pan, and I put this on high, like between the 6 and the high for temperature. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use vegetable oil instead of the olive oil that I used earlier. And I am going to pour some oil. This is really hard, like holding my camera. Hey, that's up, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab oil. Like so. And then I'm just gonna let that heat up before I go in with the rice. And this is a rice that I like to use. My mom used to use a jasmine rice, but I feel like it tastes kind of weird. I don't know. I feel like they've changed it a little bit, and so started using that, and I feel like it cooks faster. Okay, so I'm just checking on the chicken, flipping it. It's cooking, just making sure it's cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my camera down so you guys can watch me. I'm not gonna use all of this. We already have rice in the fridge, but I feel like it's been in there for more than a week and it's probably not good. Looks like that. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it into here. All right, and the rice. Oh my god, I need to hurry up and do this. It's so hard to hold my camera and try to record myself. Okay, so you see how the rice is turning white? That's how you know it's ready to start cooking. So I'm just gonna wait for all the rice to turn white like that, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so you can see that the rice is turning a little brown almost. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the water in here. Okay, so just keep an eye out on the rice, and then add water when you feel like you need to. And yeah. Okay, so the rice is pretty much done being cooked. And so what I like to do is I like to flatten it out. And then just leave it on here like another 2-3 more minutes. And then I turn it off and then just put it to the side. And then whatever, see how it has like a little bit of water left? I just let the rice absorb the last of the water, and then it comes out perfect. Get away! Okay, so the food is done. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like sliding all over the plate. But yeah, I'm super excited to eat it. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. He's so mad. I already gave you chicken. Go over there. Look at him. He's like, please, give me some chicken. No, I said, but yeah. Yeah, I said, but yeah. Ow, dude, your head is freaking heavy. I said, but yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking with me. I know it's really different than what I usually do, but oh my gosh, dude, I want to start filming other stuff, not just beauty related things. So let me know if you guys like this. Say bye bye. He's mad. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.